can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Today we've got bike night over at Tampa Joes, our Bay Area Rider bike night. This week's a little bit different because we're meeting up at Cycle Gear in Pinellas Park, and we're gonna do a little pre-bike night party over there. That goes on from 4 to 7, and then after that we head over to Tampa Joes so we can enjoy bike night. And if you're at Cycle Gear, you stop there for the ride, and you're wearing your gear, Bay Area Riders gear, you're gonna get 10% off anything in the store other than tires. And tonight we're taking the S1000. Just because she's so beautiful.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my.
So we got this beautiful Supra up in front of me. It's got mismatched fenders on the rear. I don't know if that is because they're carbon fiber. I'm not close enough to the car to tell, but watch when this car takes off. I don't even know if you'll be able to tell from the GoPro footage, but just watch. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but that thing is blowing white smoke. It does not smell good. Wonder what he got into. Wonder what that cop is thinking when he's looking at my rear-facing GoPro. We're just making a documentary, okay, sir? That's all. Alright, we've made it to Cycle Gear. Got a good group of people here today. We made it out to Cycle Gear. They got all kinds of stuff in here today. Again, if you got your bar gear on, you get 10% off everything but tires. It's telling me that I have to spend $100 to get a Red Bull. If you want it for free. I don't want it for free. Let's go. You got a Mountain Dew? Let's do a Mountain Dew. All right. We're about ready to head out. We're gonna head to Tampa Joes. Got a big old group of people. It's gonna be a good ride. Alright, Tampa Joes, we're coming for you. Let's do it.
I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time.
We made it out to bike night. And there's a lot of people out here tonight. It's a good turnout for sure. It was a good ride up here. Thank you to all those that kind of helped with that ride a little bit. And we'll do it again not next week, every other week. So not this week, not this coming week, but the following week. I'll post up in the group, check it out.
Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend.
So we just did the giveaway, and we're gonna do the slow races. If you don't know what slow races are, basically we line up the bikes, and instead of who can go the fastest, it's whoever can go the slowest between point A and point B. Got it. I don't care what anybody says, this shit's hard. I've tried it. It's hard.
All right, kids, here we go. Make a little noise. Come on. Uh-oh, who's going to take the gift card home? Oh.
It's getting crazy out here. Carlos.
All right, who's next? Come on down.
Good bike night, eh?
Yeah,
man. Good, right?
Is it you?
Yeah.
Come on. Congratulations. $25 gift card to Tampa Joes. Congratulations.
Had a lane, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to the sauce.